Hello, this is needleprinters.com, and today I will be showing you how to make this paper swan. You'll need construction paper and scissors. First, to make a square, softly fold A down so it looks like this. Or just hold it in place. That works too. This will give you your trace for the square. Now, there we go. You'll fold it like this. You were supposed to fold it in half, I forgot. You fold it in half, like this. And then you take in one side and fold the other side into the middle. Flip it over. Fold into the middle. Okay, now fold down the top to the bottom and fold it back up. And fold in the back, get a straight edge, and you're done. If you are interested in seeing more photos or to get step-by-step instructions for this project, please click the iCard or the link in the description of this video to visit our website, needleprinters.com. Visit our website to find lots of other paper folding projects and tutorials.